What's up guys, it's Fred again from Influencer Unchained, and today I'm going to showcase a new tool that I've been using for my own online ventures and that you can utilize for a huge variety of opportunities, from YouTube to Fiverr to Upwork and to a whole bunch of other platforms. And not only is this tool super easy and beginner friendly to use, but it also generates for you products automatically with its own AI based on your own specifications.
My god.
And with that, here's a dank meme for you in exchange for you gently smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also you can consider subscribing to my channel as well for more cutting edge videos about making money online and digital entrepreneurship. Plus, I also have an investing channel that you can check out as well. And with that, let's get started with the video. So first, I'm gonna go through what I think are some of the best money making opportunities with this tool, many of which you can even stack up if you want to.
Nice.
And after that, I'll provide a quick and easy tutorial of the tool in question, as well as provide some alternative methods for making money, as well as other tools that you can consider.
Look what I found in my pocket, look!
So with that, let's jump right into our first group of money-making opportunities on Fiverr.com. So first, you'll notice that Fiverr actually frequently updates their gig categories with new ones, which doesn't necessarily mean that these gigs never existed on the platform before, but rather that they've actually created these new categories for them. And this actually in turn drives new, eyeballs and traffic to these types of gigs. And some of the ones I want to highlight today are especially in the graphics and design category, and under that we have the web and app design subcategory, and as you can see, we have website design, UX design, landing page design, and email design. And in addition to that, there's also digital marketing, where there are some other not necessarily new gigs, but this one here, affiliate marketing, is one that I would like to highlight as well, on top of email marketing.
Right.
And not only are some of these gig types highlighted by Fiverr as of late, but CNBC themselves, which is a well-known financial news outlet, and they talk about like money making and things like that, right? They've actually reported as well, and you can see that this post is from a day ago on June 19th, that these are the highest paying side hustles on Fiverr in the US by maximum price earned, which I get that is different from the average price earned and doesn't take into account like the traffic and things like that, but this still gives you a good idea of the potential that some of these gigs actually have, right? So for example, website design that we just pointed out on Fiverr is the highest earning one, or has the highest maximum price at $700, followed by a social media manager, $675, which I actually covered in another video before. And there's also some other ones like website building, which is relevant to today's content as well, and social media advertising to some extent also works. And really quick, I just want to point out the difference between website design and website building, because they actually are somewhat different in that, as you can see from Fiverr, and these are all listed under the design category, right? Or the graphics and design category, meaning that these are more like related to the actual visuals of a website. And on the other hand, for website building, it's more about setting up the systems of the website and getting it to function, right? And actually with the tools I'm going to show you later, you'll be able to very easily do both, especially since a lot of these designs and professional designs at that can be automatically generated using that tool.
It'll be easy as 1, 2.
And with this, you'll actually be able to do a lot more stuff in addition to website design and website building. And you can in fact even focus on other stuff like landing page design, which is in fact quite similar to website design, but can actually be a lot easier for some people. And there's also email design, which actually works great with this tool as well, perhaps even better. And in addition to that, you can also do some digital marketing stuff. So there's definitely a lot of potential within this category as well, because people are using this type of stuff to make money, and thus they're usually going to be able to, or be willing to pay more money for these types of gigs as well, right? So within digital marketing, you can definitely do email marketing, help with email marketing. You can help with affiliate marketing. This is a really great one, especially if you know about some of the products on ClickBank, and the fact that ClickBank products actually give you a lot of resources for affiliates to just copy and paste essentially, right? And so affiliate marketing can be a great choice as well, and it's very high potential. And just pretty much a lot of the gigs within the digital marketing category you can look at using some of these tools I'm going to show you. And not only that, but you'll also have a lot more job security in general if you list your services on Upwork, or even have your personal portfolio on top of that, in addition to just doing Fiverr. Especially since Fiverr can sometimes like suspend an account for no reason, and they're sort of like not very transparent about it, so there's always a risk in that. Anyhow, for another opportunity that I want to highlight, and this actually relates to YouTube, so this is a sort of different way to use the tool, but is actually what I do. So what I mean is email marketing through YouTube or any sort of website that you might have associated with YouTube in addition to that. So what I mean is, for example, for my YouTube videos, you'll notice that I frequently tell people to go and download my free YouTube ebook, which actually leads to this link here. And what happens to for people to be able to download this ebook is that they have to fill out their name and email address. And what this does with that, if I collect their email address, is that it gives me additional chances for me to email these people for additional promotions and whatever else I might want to sell, right? And for example, you can make this work really well with, say, even affiliate marketing, right? Because if you go onto websites like ClickBank, as well as Digistore rather 24, some of these affiliate products also come with affiliate resources, including things like email swipes, right? I don't know why it's called swipes, but they're basically pre-written emails that you can basically copy and paste and just use to email people. And the reason that this works well is that in traditional email marketing, where for example, if I wanted to just promote it, normally when people might promote a product without emails, they'll just include the affiliate link in, for example, their YouTube video. But if people go into that link and they're not interested, they'll just leave, and that's the end of that customer, right? But if you have something with email marketing set up, you can have them go and download like a freebie, for example, collect their emails, and then you can show them the affiliate link for the product. If they're not interested that time, you're still not completely out of the loop with that client yet. You can actually send them additional emails to give you a second chance, or even third chance, or even more chances to sell them other stuff and to make you more money.
Why make trillions when we could make billions?
And as for the landing pages like this one that you can build out to collect people's emails, you can also do so very easily using the tool I'm going to show you. On top of all the email marketing stuff and even like website building in general, it's all sort of encompassed within that one platform, which is very, very convenient indeed. And as for YouTube channel ideas that you might want to use this method with, you can definitely check out some of the other videos I have on my channel, including this latest one on how to make money with 12 super low effort and no skill YouTube channel niches. Although this specific type of strategy where you're collecting people's emails and sending them stuff with lead magnet works the best with more practical based YouTube channels, which means if you have an expertise, like a professional expertise or academic one even, or something related to your hobby that's more like helpful and practical, you could definitely do a YouTube channel based on that because that's what you're good at. And in addition to that, this email marketing strategy also works well with social media such as Instagram, where you can have your link here. And for example, with my Instagram page, I also have, like, if we open up the link in my bio, I have several links actually to my YouTube channels, as well as here the third link is to my free YouTube ebook, which will obviously lead over to this page, and where I'll collect people's emails and allow me to email them about whatever I want to email them about. And with that overview of the main monetization strategies, let's now head over to the main tool I'm going to show you, which actually encompasses, again, website design, website building, email marketing, landing page building, and even more. Affiliate marketing is also one of them. So with that, GetResponse is the first main tool I'm going to show you.
Nice.
GetResponse is one that is really, really convenient because they have a new feature called the website builder, which, as you can see, you can pretty much just generate a website with their so-called AI, and you can first of all specify some of your your needs, the style of website that you want, and it can basically just generate a really, really professional looking template and functional at that website for you, basically with a couple of clicks. So that's why I really highly recommend GetResponse. And not only that, but I've also been using the platform for a lot of my email marketing. So if you want, you can even do both, right? It's sort of covered with one platform, which is very, very good. And also, GetResponse can be used completely for free for 30 days without you even having to input your credit card information. So that's definitely a plus because you can try it out for 30 days. And within these 30 days, you can really set up a lot of stuff, not only for your own business, but you can also potentially get some practice for if you're going to be doing freelancing, which if you actually, for example, get an order on Fiverr, you can then use that money to go and fund your GetResponse account later on, right? For example. And now, just to demonstrate for you how it works, you'll see that it is extremely straightforward because if I just want to create anything, I can go to the top left left. Let me actually, okay, there it is. So on the top left, you'll see that there's a menu button, and there's email marketing, autoresponders, automation, webinars, chats, conversion funnel, landing pages, form and service, etc., etc. For now, I'm going to show you the website builder because this is the newest feature and also a very great feature. So here, after clicking on the website builder link, you'll come over to this page. As you can see, it says create a site and promote your business online. So all I have to do is click on create a website, and then it'll ask me to use either one of the ready-made templates. And so I forgot to mention that one of the great things, excellent things rather, about GetResponse is that they have already a lot of great ready-made templates, whether it be for websites, for landing pages, for autoresponders, which means your automatic emails. They also have like great, not only the email templates themselves, but they also have like automatic email sequences set up. So for example, if somebody signs up for your email list, they get sent the automatic sequence of different emails every day, right? So GetResponse has a bunch of templates for all that, so you can very, very easily plug and play. And so for example, right now, let's try out the templates. I'll just show you, might as well show you real quick what types of templates they have. We'll see that here on the left, there's different types of templates. So affiliate marketing, brochure, business crowdfunding, e-commerce. E-commerce is another really, really great niche to work on Fiverr as well, right? But anyhow, coming back to here, there's a bunch of really cool templates that you can use, very, very professional and relevant. If I just scroll through, you'll see that all these are templates, really awesome. And if we just back out real quick, let's check out the AI powered builder.
Of course!
So clicking on this AI powered builder, it'll first ask you the type of business you have, for which you just enter your niche. So for example, let's say I have a restaurant. All right. And then you actually have to wait for it to pop out the recommendation, and you actually need to click on the recommendation for it to work. So let's click on restaurants, and then the type of website you want to build. These are just the templates that we saw from earlier, right, for the web pages. So I'm just gonna click on business right here and hit next step. And then here, all you have to do is to toggle on and off the elements that you want included on your web page. So these are the recommendations that they have for a business focused website. So I'm just gonna do this, but if you want, you can obviously toggle any of these on and off to your liking. And with that, I can hit next step. And here you can actually, if you have like an existing website with its own style, you can type in the URL and it'll try to incorporate like the elements, like the colors and stuff into it. Or you can upload your logo to have it generate a color scheme for you. That's probably very convenient. Or you can just go with their own recommendations, right? So for example, I'm just gonna click on this as an example. And with that, they also recommend to you 3 different templates based on all those specifications. And I'll just look at, you can actually preview each one as well. So that's very convenient. And that's one of the reasons I really like GetResponse, because even with any other templates, you can just preview anything before you start using it. But anyhow, let's say I wanted to use this design, right? And after that, all I have to do is to customize it further, right? With the text and whatever, details, links, right, that I want. And that's very easy, right? I can just click, here's like a tutorial on the side here, but I don't need it. I can just double click, add, whoops. Oh, okay, it's a small text, you'll see it right there. So I need to change the font size. I'll make it huge. I'll make it bold. And I can also highlight it, make a background color of white, right? So I could do Influencer Unchained Restaurant or Bites. Let me just highlight this and add the background color of white. And there you go, right? This is just an example of how to do text, and the rest of it is pretty much just drag and drop, right? So unlike a lot of other website builders and even email marketing platforms, of which GetResponse has both and does both really well. And what they do well is that a lot of these like builders, right, or the builders that they have are drag and drop, which makes things extremely simple or simplified. And you can just click on each element. You can, for example, drag them around to where you want them to be. You can easily add new elements as well, and just save your templates for use. And that is pretty much all you had to do to design a functional website using GetResponse. And now, as for how to actually do this with freelancing, as in how you can sell these templates to your clients, there are actually a couple of ways to do so. And the first one is to have them create a GetResponse account, and again, they can do so for free at first, and then they can add you in as a member for you to be able to, you know, or as an admin for you to be able to create stuff for them and design stuff for them. Or you can do it another way around. You create the account and add them in, and then just give them the account. However you want to sort this out, right? But an easier way, and I know that GetResponse will actually come out with this really soon, would be to have the import a website function, and this actually already works on GetResponse with their other functions like their email marketing. I know that it works for their email templates, so that's yet another thing that you can sell on Fiverr or Upwork or whatever, right? But with the website builder, they're going to be soon coming out with a very convenient way to just import websites. So all you have to do is to download a template as a file and then just send the file over to your client, and if they use GetResponse, they can just simply incorporate that into their system, right? Super duper easy.
I haven't a clue what's going on here, but I'll act like I do.
And not only that, but there are actually tons of other ways you can utilize GetResponse to make money or use it for your own business, right? Such as with their landing page builder, which is very similar to the website builder, of which they also have a bunch of templates, as you can see. And through the landing page, if you're going to, for example, use it for yourself or even build it for your client, you can actually utilize email marketing as well, right? Which is one of their strong suits. So for that, they obviously have a bunch of email templates. For the email content themselves, you don't have to worry about it because the clients will write them for their own use, or you can provide that service if you want to. Or if you're purely doing affiliate marketing, whether it be for yourself or a client, you can oftentimes grab pre-written email swipes, these emails that you can just copy and paste from, you know, ClickBank products as well as some digital store products onto GetResponse to send out automatically. And to set these up, you can simply go over to autoresponders. As you can see here, I have a huge setup, and these are basically automatic emails that go out to people who sign up for your newsletter, right? And again, to get people to sign up, you can simply go over to, let me actually show you here. If I click on menu, there's just so much stuff you can do with GetResponse. If I click on menu and click on conversion funnel, all right, there's actually a link hidden in here, sort of hidden in here, which is the lead magnets tab here. And as you can see, you can not only upload your own lead magnets, you can easily create your own ebooks, for example. ClickBank products will often come with free lead magnets you can use as well, and they come in different niches, right? For example, this is my own lead magnet that I wrote. It's called the Unchained YouTube Handbook, and you can download it using the link below. See what I did there? But anyhow, GetResponse also has their own lead magnets that you can freely use. A bunch of these, in fact, that are great for businesses, and they just like free stuff that you can give away to collect people's emails and just do email marketing with, right? Or you can provide all this not necessarily for your own business, but for clients on Upwork, Fiverr, etc., etc. The possibilities are essentially endless. And that is pretty much all I wanted to show you in today's video. Remember, you can pick up my free YouTube ebook using the first link below. And if you liked the video, be sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And you can also consider subscribing to my channel for more cutting edge videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.